Anambra Broadcasting Service says it will partner Nigerian Television Authority (NTA) Channel 5 Oka in promoting culture and tradition and preventing them from going into extinction through the March 27, 2026 Igbo-Efuna program. ABS correspondent Emmanuel Okonkwo now reports.
The Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of ABS, Mr. Chris Moloku, stated this when the General Manager of the NTA Oka, Madam Franca Uzoma Olua, and her entourage paid him a courtesy visit in his office in Oka. Mr. Moloku, who acknowledged that the NTA Igbo program aligns with what ABS stands for in ensuring that Igbo culture and traditions remain relevant and the envy of others in Nigeria, assured that the station would partner NTA in the promotion, coverage, and dissemination of the program.
This is very, very welcome. It is very, very apt. This is the right time for us. And we are willing, we are able, we are available to support in every way we can.
Speaking earlier, the NTA Oka General Manager, Madam Uzoma Olua, said the program is aimed at awakening the consciousness of Igbo, especially the younger generation, on the need to be proud of their culture, promote and preserve it through several lined-up activities, including Okun Tabire, Akuko Ifo, Gwam Gwam Gwam, Igbo dressing, among others. While the coordinator of the NTA Igbo-Efuna program, Mr. Jude Echenwodu, appreciated the ABS Managing Director for accepting to partner with NTA on the program, noting that since the assumption of office by Mr. Moloku, ABS has witnessed significant improvement.
So our zonal director initiated this program in all the stations in the southeast, so that is a competition among secondary and primary school students. They will compete on Igbo languages, Igbo folklore, proverbs and adages and all that. So that is what brought us here. We came to seek support and partnership from ABS as a sister station to help us in publicity of this program that we are initiating in the southeast, so that the Igbo language will not go extinct. He has promised to support us.
Improvement in Oka. I am Emmanuel Okonkwo reporting for ABS News.